Hello, yoga enthusiast. So, today I have another interesting yoga sequence for you. So, this is basically for experienced and intermediate students of yoga. So, this is called Akashaganga Namaskara, salutations to our Milky Way galaxy. So, this is a little bit intense. So, make sure you have done your joint rotations and warm ups and stretches before you attempt this particular sequence of yoga. Let's check it out. Namaste, Pranama. Inhale Hasta Uttanasana. Go down to Samakonasana and go down to Padahastasana. From Padahasta, go to Uttanasana. From here, come to Utkatasana, hands up. Namaste. Do the twist. Twisted Utkatasana. Utkatasana. Twisted Utkatasana. Come back to Utkatasana and then take your legs back. Come to plank. Chaturanga Dandasana. Urdhva Tadasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take your right leg forward. Come to Warrior 1. From here, go to Triangle Pose. Trikonasana. Look up. Come to Warrior 2. And then go to Plank. From here, go to Ashtanga. Bhujangasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Left leg forward. Come to Warrior 1. Trikonasana. Warrior 2. Come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Here, take a few deep breaths and jump forward to Padahastasana. And then come to Utkatasana once again. Namaste. Then stand up. Pranamasana. So there you go, guys. Akashaganga Namaskara. This is very good for your legs.